disposal of basar v'chalav. Basar v'chalav must be disposed in a manner that ensures that no one will come to benefit from it. It may not be simply be discarded into the garbage. It must be buried or burned, disposed of in the toilet, or thrown into the river in which there is no fish. I'm not sure what was the river. It's a fountain, a river without fish. I mean, basically. So let's read it again and we try to explain. There are no commentary. Okay, so basar v'chalav must be disposed in a manner that ensures no one will come to benefit from it. It may not simply be put into the garbage. I mean, this garbage, so we put the food in a garbage, food remains, right? What do we do? We put it in a garbage bag, and one garbage bag on top of the other bag. So they put it in the big holes, and they in the ground. So what are the chances that my bag is going to be on top, and the birds, let's say, are going to come and eat from that bag? I don't know. Or animals are going to come and eat from that bag. I don't know. Okay, but he said if it's possible, right? It's in right. So it must be buried. Okay, so buried or burnt. I mean, I'm not sure where you're going to burn it. I mean, if you start doing this in your kitchen, so you're going to make your grates not kosher, or somewhere like a stove. I'm not sure where you burn it. Maybe outside, somewhere in the park or somewhere. Maybe in the public park. You go and there's a barbecue there, so you make fire and cook it, I guess. Burn it, not cook it, but burn it. Dispose of in a toilet. So it depends on the mixture. If it's a liquid, right? Let's say if it's milk with a gravy, with a meat gravy, milk with a meat gravy. So maybe that's a good idea. You just flush it down the toilet. Or thrown into a river in which there is no fish. I'm not sure about river no fish, but that's very interesting. Okay.